The price of C network C coin hit over 6% increase in price, though as of last 2 weeks we also C network rising, and then the coin was ranked among the top 100 before dropping back to below the top 100. Right now, as at the time of recording, the C network coin is ranked number 105 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now, for sure, I still see this coin hitting back at the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap, because it's one coin people love. It's one coin that dominated the crypto. It's one coin that have really pumped, and of course the social media engagement, people really love the coin. So right now, for this coin to rise 6% increase in price, I still hope that they are going to gain more users, more wallet, and of course more investment and more market cap. So it's a good thing to see that C network coin is still doing well, and I hope the coin will continue to pump. I even see this coin hitting back, like I said, in the top 100 crypto coins. Okay, so if you really want to see this coin profit, if you really want to make good profit with C network, then you want to have one thing in mind, and that thing is patience. Yes, just like every investors, you have to have patience. Having a good patience will definitely help you to make good profit with many investments. Okay, don't rush. You need to study, you need to follow up the news, you need to understand some of these things. Take a look at some other crypto coins, take a look at the history of other coins. You score over 70 to 80% of most coins after a very long period of time end up making huge profit. So that's it for me. I believe C in few months or in few years will end up making huge profit. Okay, so I'm happy to see 6% increase in price as of today. Though, like I said before, we'll keep on bringing up new good crypto coins that are very good. Most have studied. Take a look at their project, their plans, what they have. If it's going to be a good coin, one can invest. But remember, whatever any coin you are investing, be the coin we discussed here on our channel or any coin at all you feel that you want to buy, please always learn to invest money that you can afford to lose. Okay, please always have this in mind. Don't forget this. And once again, I also want to use the opportunity to tell you that we'll be uploading different kinds of videos on how to make money. If you want to check on how to make money on our channel, you can just check on the on our playlist. Okay, we have the playlist for it, which is how to make money online, making money online. You check the playlist, you will see different videos on how you can really generate money incomes online, just like we do. Okay, just like we do. We'll teach you step by step. We explain everything in details without skipping anything, so you understand how to make money with some of the videos we'll be uploading. Once again, thank you for stopping by.